Hi,
Hello, teacher.
my name is Yan. What's your name?
My name is Kara.
How old are you, Kara?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes,
Yes, okay, you can see here children in the park. Okay, so what's this?
it's, it's balloon.
Okay, what is it?
It's a tree.
Okay, very good, very good. I'd like you to look at this girl. Okay, what is she wearing?
She wearing yellow t-shirt and blue skirt.
Okay, that's correct. Now, look at this girl. What color is her dress?
It's pink.
It's pink, very good. And what about her shoes? What color are her shoes?
It's blue.
Okay, very good. What is it?
It's a bike.
Okay, very good. It's a bike. Now, Kara, please look at these pictures. Which is the lemon?
It's here.
Okay, what's the color of that lemon?
It's it's yellow.
It's yellow, very good. I'm putting the lemon under the bike. Now, what can you say about the lemon?
Yes.
The lemon?
The lemon is under the bike.
Very good, very good. Okay, which is the school bag?
It's here.
Okay. Okay, put the school bag under the balloon. Okay, very good. So what is the sentence?
The school bag is under the balloon.
Okay, very good. Now let's go back to the lemon. Okay, I'd like you to put the lemon on the tree. Now, where's the lemon?
The lemon is on the tree.
Okay, very good, Kara. Now, which is the t-shirt? T-shirt.
It's here.
What's the color of that t-shirt?
It's blue.
Okay, it's blue. Okay. Put the t-shirt next to the bike. Okay, so what can you say now? What sentence can you make out of that?
The t-shirt is next to the bike.
Good. That's correct. Now look at this boy who is jumping. And I'd like you to put this slide near the boy who is jumping. Okay, Carol, what sentence can we make in that?
The slide is near the boy is jumping.
Okay, who is jumping? That's correct. Now, Carol, what is this?
It's a bus.
Yes, it's a bus, a school bus. Do you go to school by bus? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Okay, very good. Okay, do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
Okay, aside from pizza, what else do you like? What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is ice cream.
Ice cream. Wow. What animal is this, Kara?
It's a sheep.
It's a sheep. Do you see the sheep on the farm?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. What is it?
It's a bookshop.
Bookshop. How many bookshops are there near your house?
No.
Okay, there is no
No.
bookshop near my house.
No bookshop near my house.
Very good, that's it. Now let's talk about your family, Kara. Okay, how many are you or how many people are there in your family?
Is six people in my family.
Okay, so there are six people in your family. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Wang.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 38 years old.
Your mother, what is your mother's name?
My mother, my mother's name is Lin.
Okay, how old is she?
She is 36 years old.
Have you got a brother or a sister?
Yes, I have two fathers.
Okay, two brothers. Oh, okay, what's the name of your one brother?
His name is
His name?
Hui.
Wei. And the other one is? What's the name of the other one?
His name is Bảo.
Okay, okay. And is your mother's hair short or long? Mother, your mother.
Short.
Short. Okay. Do you live in a flat, an apartment, or a house?
I live in a house.
Okay. Do you live in a big house or a small house?
I live in a big house.
Okay. What's in your living room?
Is shelf,
Okay. Shelf,
chair,
chair.
table,
What else?
TV.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you. I think that's all. Thank you so much, Kara. It's nice talking to you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.